Welcome to the Devet Classroom. In this video we are working from the C1 Core Maths textbook by Pearson, and we will be looking at Chapter 1, Exercise 1C, question 6 to 10. In this case we are doing or continuing with our trend from the previous video. Minus 5x is multiplied into the brackets, and the term outside is multiplied with each term inside of the bracket. So we are expanding and simplifying where possible. Please always remember the minus is part of the term on the outside. So it becomes minus 5x times 4x. This will give us minus 5 times 4 is 20. X times x is x squared. Minus 5x times plus 1, it will be minus 5x. That is question number 6. We move over to question number 7. And in this case, the term, instead of putting it in front of the brackets, it is put after the brackets. But please remember that multiplication, the order does not matter, which means whether this x is in front of or after the brackets, the rule still applies, that the term outside of the brackets must be multiplied with every term inside of the bracket, which means we have the following. 4x multiplied by x will give us 4x squared, and 5 multiplied by x will give us plus 5x. As simple as that. We move over to question number 8. Minus 3y outside of the bracket gets multiplied with each term inside of the bracket. We get the following answer. Minus 3y times 5 will give us minus 5 times 3 is 15, and y. Minus times a minus gives us a plus. 3 times 2 is 6. Y times y squared gives us y cubed. And as I said in the previous video, please rewrite your terms so that you always try and start with a positive term, so that you have 6y cubed minus 15y. We then go over to question number 9. We will follow the same procedure as the previous ones. Multiply the outside term with each term on the inside of your brackets, which gives us minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. X times x is x squared. Minus 2 times minus 4 is plus 8, and x. Again, if we were to rewrite this so that we start with a positive term, we will have our answer as follows. We then go over to the last one, and this one is very similar to question number 7. They place the x or the outside value on the right hand side of your bracket instead of before the bracket, but the rule still applies because the order of multiplication does not matter. So 3x multiplied by x squared, 3x to the power 3, and minus 5x squared. This concludes the exercise 1C, question 6 to 10 of chapter 1.